me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Yo, what's up everybody? Hope y'all doing great. Welcome back to another video, and this time we got big news for all my guys that love the W202. As some of you seen in my Instagram, I've been posting about my engine swap and my transmission swap that I'm going to be working on this winter for next year. I decided to make a video about it and show you guys. And since I haven't made a dedicated video about the W202, let's make this one the first one, and then I want to make a video going over on everything that this car has, from air suspension, all everything that it has. Talk about it so you guys know where we're standing and where we're heading to. But I want to show you guys the engine and let's talk about it too. Alright guys, so this is an M104 992 that I got off eBay. Apparently this engine only had 134,000 miles, and as you can see here, it came with everything: wiring harness, all the accessories and everything. So most of the parts I'm not even going to use, like the whole intake manifold and wiring harness, a lot of parts that I'm not gonna use, but it's good to have them just in case I need like any parts of the engine when the time comes to assemble everything together with the new parts. As you guys may know, I'm going to do a turbo build, so I'm going with the TE Motorsports intake manifold, their wiring harness, and all the sensors. So like I said, a lot of these parts I'm not even gonna use. So if anybody needs them, just hit my DMs and you can set something up. I'm removing the coil packs, also getting new ones because this will not work for the turbo setup. Okay, so let's see what's under the valve cover. You can see all seems pretty clean. I see a lot of engines with a lot of like build up. Not this one. This one looks super clean, so I feel very good about it. Alright, so let's continue with the intake manifold and fuel rail. Let's get those off. intake manifold off. Let's keep going, disassembling the engine. So all these parts I'm not even gonna use, like this big throttle body that came with it, and part of the EGR system. Right now that that's off, we have a better view of the side of the engine. That's what we're working with. Alright, now that we have access to the block, let's prep it for paint. This is a long process to get these item blocks ready, but at the end this makes it look a lot better. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. I realized I didn't record outro, but so this is the first step to get the engine ready. Get it all cleaned up, remove all the old parts, and get all the parts refurbished, paint it. So I'm gonna leave the video here, but stay tuned because a lot of parts are coming, and let's get to work. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.